My name is Mike, and today I'd like to give you a quick and easy handyman's tip on how to install a bathroom light fixture. Project takes about 30 minutes to an hour, give or take. This particular light fixture here is a Hampton Bay light fixture, which we got from like Home Depot. So one of the first things you'd want to do for a project like this is make sure you go down to the main circuit breaker. Turn off the main circuit breaker for this particular room so that there are no currents running through this particular fixture. Okay, so let me go ahead and take this down so you can see what's behind it here. Okay, so what I had to do initially was to cut a circle here for my circuit breaker box. My electric box fits in here, and this is this blue item you see here. And this particular light fixture here comes with a wall plate. So what I had to do was drill holes here in the wall and fasten them with these two screws. Of course, there were no studs at these locations. So in a case like that, what you have to do is use some drywall anchors, which looks like this. And this, I just screwed them into the drywall tightly. Then my screws were able to go into these particular anchors to hold snugly. So once I got my butt plate on, made sure that it was perfectly level. Then I went ahead and attached my wiring. I make sure you attach the ground wire, your hot wire, the black wire, and the white wire. And once those are in place, then it's just a matter of going ahead and putting your cover plate on. You have to push your wires back into the big electrical box like this. Then you just raise your plate up. Work that way. Have that there. You attach your decorative screws, one here and one on this side, and you're all done. Put your bulbs in and you have light. Pretty easy, huh? One more thing I'd like to show you. I'd like for you to check out this app that I have. It's called TAKL, T-A-K-L. Google it, check it out. It works basically the same way that Uber does, in which it allows you to order in home services, handyman services, yard work, anything that might help you out that you don't feel like you're doing yourself. And the price is really reasonable. Matter of fact, promotion code DE4A4 is my promotion code. If you do use TAKL and use that promotion code, you get $25 off your first service. Pretty neat, huh? Anyway, that's my tip for the day. Thank you for checking it out.